Welcome to this tutorial on how to play Old Man by Neil Young. I just did a cover on this and I'm kind of going through this phase where I'm pretty much obsessed with Neil Young, so expect some more covers and tutorials of his music because it's really a treasure and I love playing it. And hopefully I can do you guys a huge favor and teach you how to play it well, maybe in a way other people can't teach you because there are a lot of tutorials out there, I know. But let's start out here. So we're starting on this like D/F chord, but really all you need is your ring finger on that 6th fret there of the B string, and you can play the D, G, and B, and then you're going to hammer on with that index finger to the 5th fret. So you go strum, hammer, and then you can pick your B and your high E. You can add a little up-down strum. Do that 3 times. We're going to strum the top portion of a D. Hammer on to that high E string on the 2nd fret with your middle finger. Then we're going to move our pinky onto that 3rd fret of the high E, and we're going to do a pull off there. So that part's a little tricky. Okay, so all this together, let's start over from the beginning. 3 times, strum your D, pick this high E, hammer on, and then you're going to do this pause because the timing's a little weird. But you do a pull off from your pinky to that middle finger on the 3rd to the 2nd. So it's just... Okay, one more time. And the rhythm's a little tricky, you really got to listen to the song there to get that one. I have a little bit of a pause in there, which isn't actually in the recording, but that's my way of getting the timing down and matching it. So one more time here. And slow way down. Okay, so now it's a little tricky, but after that things get easier. Because now we are into the verse that goes like this. Okay, so our strumming goes down, 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 down. So that's all there is for the strumming. Now with the chords, we've got a D to an F to a C to a G to a D to a F, C, back to an F. And I'm going to sing along here so you can play and get the rhythm down as well with the melody of the vocals. So, old man, look at my life, 24 and there's so much more. Live alone in a paradise that makes me think of two. Love lost such a cost, give me things that don't get lost. Like a coin that won't get tossed, holding on to you. And that is the verse. And then it transitions with this progression, so it goes D to an A minor 7, to an E minor 7, to G, and then you're in the chorus. So that part goes. And then it goes to the chorus, which is old man, take a look at my life, I'm alive like you. Look at my chords are just, again, D, A minor 7, E to G. But that's the transition. The rhythm's a little different. You're holding this D chord in the chorus. So, old man, take a look at my life. I'm a lot like you. So these get one strum. Lot like you. Oh, one look at my eye, you can tell that's true. And that's really all there is to it. So that's the chorus, the verse, and the intro, and the outro is the exact same as this part. So that's going to be it for this lesson. Hopefully that was enjoyable and helped you. If this did help you, please do me a huge favor and subscribe. Check out my blog, New Music Friday, the Sunday Review, and also follow me on Instagram at Jeremiah James Music. And be ready for some more Neil Young covers and acoustic guitar lessons. Thank you for watching.